The staircase spirals downward, carved from cold stone and lit only by flickering torches. Each step they take feels heavier than the last, like time itself is resisting them. Pillars rise up around them, and at their base is a pool of black water. A voice echoes through the chamber. Only those who see the past may survive the future. I don't want to see it, Alina whispers, backing away from the shimmering water. The water begins to rise, faster, faster. The room shakes, the mirror cracks, and light bursts out, revealing a new doorway. But Rayaan is still staring into the water, his face pale. He saw something in the water that he can't speak of. Symbols appear on the walls, twisting and turning. One must be chosen. One must be erased. Zayan leads the way, the map glowing faintly in his hand. Alina hesitates, unsure if she wants to see what's below. Rayaan doesn't speak, but his silence is a heavy thing, pressing down on them all. At last, they reach the bottom. A massive chamber opens before them, shrouded in darkness except for the faint glow of the map. The water shimmers, and memories begin to rise. They move forward, quieter now, their steps slower, their faces drawn. They know now that the fortress doesn't just test them, it changes them. Zayan sees his father standing at the same altar, holding a glowing orb. Rayaan sees something else. A vision of himself, but changed. His hair's longer. His eyes are colder. Alina tries to run, but the door behind them is gone. They are trapped here in the mirror room. A place that shows what you fear and what you'll become. You don't get to choose, Rayaan says, his voice echoing strangely. The storm inside the chamber grows. Zayan reaches out, his fingers tracing the older symbol. This door is open, but the price is beginning to show.